Hi, my name is Dave, and I'm proud to present you the future of compliance and data governance with ABIS in Amsterdam. With ABIS, you can load different stuff in your workspace. So when you create your workspace, you can basically pick between Power BI, SQL files, and generic graph data. So for this graph, to explain the background, the graph is basically the base of a lineage or knowledge graph based approach where AI can navigate the graph to understand the knowledge of the business. You can also enrich the business context by getting here, entering basically what your business is about, what your target is, what you want to achieve with your goals, and ABIS can understand your business context and try to basically support you with all your questions you have about your metadata. This tool is especially interesting for data governance and analytics engineers to support them with their daily life. After you created your graph, you basically have a table view, which is easier for people to read and to understand than the graph notes because it's quite complex, and for AI, it's better to read, but for human, it's not so practical. So with this table view, you can basically check all your entities, what you have in your business, all the files that you basically scanned. So here we scanned SQL files to analyze data model and star schema for Power BI. The interesting part now is that basically ABIS is able to automate completely the testing part. So when you're a QA tester and you have these days where you have a lot of rules that you have to test against compliance and you're tired about it, this is the solution for you, where you can now basically save a lot of time, enjoy your life while ABIS is testing for you. To do that, you basically go here to the rules that your business applies and recommends. Here are some templates where you can basically add some rules based on templates. For example, all the SQL files must have a certain naming, or you need some specific syntax, or dimension tables should be modeled like 1 to n, and so on. So a lot of interesting but also complex business rules can be applied here. Once you apply those rules, you can basically run the AI to check each data point of your rule by clicking here on this button, and it will basically automatically check. While it's working, you see it checked the compliance. It has 4 compliant, so basically this line of code is well done. It has no issues, and you can use it in production. AI will also explain you kinds of interesting stuff, what's going on, how did it decide, and so on. And yeah, you can basically view all the information you need. So to automate your job, you can basically now go here and go to start and basically let the AI do the job for you. You see, it will trigger automated updates. And each time it automates, it will basically fill up the charts here, so you can analyze in real time the compliance at a glance. So this is the time now to go for some coffee, grab some nice talk with your friends, and wait until ABIS done the testing. Come back after a while. So I just stopped the run to not let the agent work too much, because it's kind of a nice day today. Okay, what you can do is now you can basically go here and check the compliance applied. You can see their stuff compliant. Most of the code is good to go. And yeah, basically now you can analyze the rules, what have applied, and so on, and get an understanding of your business, what can be improved. Besides this functionality, you're now able to ask AI specifically what is going on with your compliance. And ABIS can basically say, okay, no violations found. Very good. So with this tool, you can finally automate your QA testing job, which costs you every day nearly about 2 to 3 hours just for compliance checks and headaches and a lot of Excel files. Now with ABIS, you can basically create your smart rules. You can run it automatically. You can go for a coffee. You can come back, analyze what has the ABIS found to optimize. You can discuss this with your boss and your team. So next tickets can be derived, or you can delay in production because you found some issues that need to be fixed. This will basically raise data quality in your whole organization. Your whole organization will benefit from this. That you basically collect the rules and the semantics of your business. And with this power, you give AI as a context, you can basically run AI over all your data quality issues, and it will fix your data quality issues in the future just by scenarios and simulation. And this is awesome, guys. This is something, honestly, I'm super hyped, and I would love to invite you to a live demo. So if you want to see it live in action, how our clients at the moment use it and what they benefit from and how they increase their ROI and make more time for the employees free instead of Excel crunching numbers to really create some great values for the company, then let me know. Hit me a message, visit us at EBI Analytics to check out our website, and thank you.